Look, it's a book about a beacon.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Let's craft it to protect the village.
We've got obsidian and glass. Where can we find the star?
We must fight the monster in the nether to get it. Here is the portal. Is everyone ready?
Yes, let's go.
What is it?
It's the monster Lucy. Be careful.
It's so strong. Be brave.
Watch out, guys. The monster is coming.
I see. Let's do it.
Look, the star.
We did it. The village is safe now.
Great work, everyone.